Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube with just your phone without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about YouTube topics. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your YouTube app. So I'm going to click on here. So right here, this is my YouTube app. I'm going to click on here to open my YouTube account. Just like so. Having opened up your YouTube app, make sure you have successful login into your YouTube account. As you can see right here, I have already logged into this YouTube account. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. This plus sign here, click on that. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on go live. Just like so. Then you will have to click on open settings. Click on open settings. Then from here, you have to allow permission. So right here, click on permission right here to grant permission to YouTube, camera, contact, location, microphone, then phone, then storage. Just like so. Then simply go back. Then just like this, then you will have to wait until. And then once it loads, you'll be live on YouTube. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to live stream on YouTube with just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.